Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys another Halloween tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this glam Halloween pop art makeup look. Alrighty, so I already have half of my face done. So I just did a nice simple eye look with the wing, and I did go ahead and highlight and contour and all that stuff on this side. And on this half of my face, I have just my foundation. I did put a little bit of concealer under my eyes and set that with my Laura Mercier setting powder. I contoured just a little bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into the fun part of this Halloween tutorial. So for this look, I'm gonna be using my James Charles Morphe palette because this palette pretty much has all the colors that I'm gonna need for this look. So if you don't have this palette, just try to get something that has, you know, at least one of every color from the rainbow. So first I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take this dark brown, almost espresso color shade, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pretty much create the pop art section that we're going to be working with today. So you can do any shape that you would like, and this is just going to be the section where the pop art is going to be like heavily concentrated. So that's why we have a glam side and a pop art side. Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead and we're going to start off with our eye look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my P. Louise eye base, and we're gonna go ahead and base the lower lid of our eyes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take this very bold yellow here, and I'm going to pack this all on that P. Louise eye base. And I'm going to go ahead with a small fluffy brush. I'm going to take this brown shade up here, and I'm going to just work that in my crease just a little bit because we want to kind of give it depth once we add the black eyeliner. So next you're going to use a white eyeliner. I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and you're going to line your bottom lash line. You do want to come down a little bit past your waterline because you want to go ahead and mimic a fake lash line that's going to be a little bit more accentuated. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this white shade, and I'm going to pretty much set this eye pencil because it is a bit creamy, so I'm going to set it in place. So next you're going to take your black liquid eyeliner, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to go into your crease, and you're going to just accentuate and make it kind of pop out. So I'm actually going to switch to a liquid eyeliner felt tip because, as you guys just seen, it was kind of dragging and it was just not going as smoothly. So I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner. I'm also going to go ahead and do a contour, like pretty much a contour line on my nose with the black. With the felt tip pencil that I have, I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lash line. Okay, so it's still much more intense with the liquid eyeliner, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this and go over that part down there too. And then we're going to make like false eyelashes. And now I'm making my brow more pop art as well. We're going to create our teardrops. That looks like a butt crack on my face. Okay, and with that leftover P. Louise eye base, I'm going to go ahead and fill these first, and then I'm going to put my blue eyeshadow on top. now I'm gonna go ahead and create a wing on my upper eyelid. Then we're going to need a whole bottle of eyeliner for this entire look. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump into our lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a red matte lip color first. Okay, and then back with your liquid eyeliner, you're going to trace around your lips. Now you're gonna add your little accents to the inner part of your lip. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my white eyeliner to do kind of like the highlights on my face. Alrighty guys, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial with me. This has got to be one of my favorite looks by far. Out of all of the looks that I've done, this is definitely my favorite. The first two were pretty easy, so those were supposed to be for like beginner levels. This one is a little bit more intermediate, but I hope you do get inspired to give it a try. And if you do, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Even if you just like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and I just made a TikTok, so follow me on there as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.